Is your Tesla Model 3 charging port refusing to open? Don't panic. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps covering touchscreen, app, and manual release methods. We'll address common causes like software glitches, low battery, and mechanical issues, helping you get back on the road quickly. Based on 2026 data, software solutions often resolve these issues, so let's dive in. The first step is to try opening the charging port via the Tesla Model 3's touchscreen. Navigate to the Controls menu, then Charging, and tap Open Charge Port. If this doesn't work, a software glitch may be the culprit. Try restarting your car's central computer by holding down both steering wheel buttons until the screen goes black and the Tesla logo reappears. According to Tesla's service bulletins, a restart can resolve up to 30% of these issues. The Tesla mobile app provides powerful remote control and diagnostic capabilities for resolving charging port issues. This digital approach often fixes problems without needing physical access to your vehicle. First, ensure your Model 3 has an active internet connection. The vehicle needs Wi-Fi or cellular data to receive commands from the app and transmit diagnostic information back to Tesla's servers. Open the Tesla mobile app on your smartphone. The app interface provides direct control over many vehicle functions. Tap on the Controls section to access remote commands. Within the Controls menu, locate and tap the Open Charge Port button. This command activates the port's solenoid mechanism remotely, opening the charging flap without needing to be near the vehicle. The Tesla app also provides diagnostic tools that can identify issues with the charging system. Check for any error messages or alerts specifically related to the charging port. These diagnostics can reveal software bugs or connectivity problems. This approach proved effective in a real case from 2024, where a Model 3's charging port stopped responding after a software update. The owner used the app's remote controls and diagnostic tools to restart the vehicle's body control module, fixing the problem without visiting a service center. According to Tesla's service data, an impressive 85% of charging port problems can be fixed remotely using the mobile app. This high success rate makes the app your primary tool for troubleshooting before considering manual interventions. A common reason for charging port failure is insufficient battery charge. The Tesla Model 3 needs at least 10 to 15% battery level for the electronic release mechanism to function properly. When your battery drops below this critical threshold, the electronic systems are disabled to prevent further power drain. Here's what the center console looks like when checking battery level. Notice the current charge percentage displayed. This diagram shows the high voltage components in the Model 3, including the charge port and battery system. The electronic latch requires sufficient power from the main battery to operate. To resolve this, try jump-starting your car or using a portable charger to provide enough power to trigger the port release. Follow proper safety procedures when handling electrical systems. Remember, this low battery lockout is designed as a safety feature to protect your vehicle's systems. Always monitor your battery level to avoid getting stuck. If electronic methods fail to open the charging port, the Model 3 includes a manual release mechanism designed to prevent entrapment. This spring-loaded lever ensures you can always access the port when needed. The manual release is a spring-loaded mechanism that provides a backup way to open the port without power. One way to access the manual release is through the frunk or front trunk. You'll need to remove the maintenance panel located inside the frunk area. Alternatively, you can reach under the front bumper to access the manual release lever. This provides direct access without opening the frunk. Environmental factors like snow accumulation can sometimes cause mechanical jams in the charging port. For example, in a UK case, snow buildup prevented the port from opening electronically, but the manual release resolved the issue without needing dealership service. Remember to always consult your Tesla owner's manual for the precise location of the manual release lever in your specific model. When software and app solutions don't work, mechanical issues may be the cause. Start by inspecting the charging port for physical obstructions that could prevent it from opening properly. Look closely at the charging port for debris such as dirt and dust that can build up over time. In colder regions, ice or snow may accumulate and obstruct the mechanism. Small objects like pebbles or debris can also get lodged inside, preventing normal operation. If you find debris, clean gently using a soft brush or compressed air. Never insert sharp objects into the port, as this could cause damage to the internal mechanism or wiring. Focus on the exterior seal and surrounding area. Physical damage, such as a bent flap or cracked housing, can also prevent the port from opening. If you suspect damage, never try to force the port open, as this could make the problem worse. Instead, proceed to manual release methods. The latch solenoid is an electromagnetic component that controls the port's opening and closing. It can fail due to mechanical wear, electrical issues, or damage. If faulty, replacement typically costs between $200 and $500 in parts, though labor may be covered under warranty. If the manual release mechanism is also difficult to operate, this often indicates a deeper mechanical issue beyond simple cleaning. In such cases, contact Tesla Service for inspection, as the problem may require component replacement covered under warranty. Keep your Tesla Model 3's software updated to the latest version. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air updates that specifically address charging port issues, including latch mechanisms and software glitches. Regularly check the charging port for any signs of wear, debris, or damage. Look for scratches, dirt accumulation, or loose components that could affect operation. Using the Tesla app to open the charging port occasionally can prevent the mechanism from seizing up. Regular remote operation keeps the solenoid and latch working smoothly. Experts recommend using app diagnostics as a first step for any port issues. This remote troubleshooting can identify problems early and help avoid more serious complications. If you've tried all troubleshooting steps and the charging port still won't open, contact Tesla Service. Your Model 3's charging port is likely covered under warranty, up to 8 years or 150,000 miles. Continued failures may indicate a deeper issue requiring professional repair. Don't attempt complex repairs yourself, as this could void your warranty. Remember, predictive maintenance and AI-driven diagnostics are improving, but sometimes expert intervention is necessary.